All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Totally wasn't going to get the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, but since I grabbed the 10 Indigo, I didn't see the need because I was going to want this color. So I said, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and get this MoonStone and then get the Indigo because I originally got the Frost for this, but they're kind of close, like in the same type of family type color as the MoonStone and the Frost. So I switched to the Indigo, and I'm glad that the Indigo is popping, man. This thing is crazy nice. But let's go ahead and unbox the MoonStone. This is going to be the most popular color of any of the phones that was released. When I pick up my Fold in October, I'm going to go into the Pixel store and pick that up. But when I pick it up, it's going to be MoonStone because the lemongrass is horrible, or jade, or whatever you want to call it. It's trash. But here we go. Let's pop this open here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. There's probably lots of unboxings today, except for like the press people. Maybe they were under some kind of embargo. I've seen some people dropping them. Shout out to JoJo. She unboxed a whole bunch of them yesterday and did a kind of a week follow-up already. JoJo balling over there. All right, so here is the box. Put it aside here. It's going to be just like the other one. There's a manual up top here, we saw in the other video. And then there's a SIM tray, charging tool right there. Charging cable. Gosh, man, I'm all over the place, son. And then the famous words that we didn't want to hear from Google. I should make this the thumbnail. Oh my God, man. Let's pop this open here. And again, like all the Pixels, man, I don't like the shiny sides, but it is what it is. Wow, this phone's got some weight to it. And that's after using phones like I'm recording with. I'm recording with one of the thinnest, lightest phones in the game right now. So that's just how it goes. When you start to use these really light phones, and that phone is the Galaxy S25 Edge, by the way. Boom, look at this MoonStone. Like I said in the other video, it's coming down to, like clockwork, it's coming down to the lighting in my house that's making this look so, like my lighting compared to the lighting in the stores. Okay, so let me go ahead and say this. This polished sides, totally not a fan of it. But this looks really good with MoonStone. I can't say that it doesn't. I'm going to start firing this up. God, this phone feels so premium. Wow. I mean, again, I'm not a fan of these polished sides or whatever, but with MoonStone, man, you guys are going to love this color. If you're waiting on yours, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys got yours today. According to this video, it is August 28th. Yeah, it's just a lot going on today, man. The drivers and stuff, they hate launch day, I'm sure. But let me get this set up real quick and get all my stuff transferred or whatever, and we'll be back. Man, this thing feels good. Man, if only it had a SIM card, I'd bang this out right here, full throttle, like primary SIM card type joint. It's crazy. I'll be right back. All right, guys, and we are back. And I got to tell you, I mean, you'll hear this a lot probably from people who bought the MoonStone color. It is just, it's like gray, then blue. Right now, it looks like it's gray. Very sexy. I mean, this is a sexy looking color. It's very subtle, not too bad. Let me bring in the Indigo. This is what the Indigo looks like. This is like a great combination, man. Perfect combination. I wish they offered the Fold in better colors, like more colors. That jade or lemongrass or whatever it is. I'm telling you, folks, go see that in person before you spend your money on it. I already saw it. So here it is, man. I am set up. Man, that facial recognition is fast. It's very fast. So I'm set up. Everything's transferred over. Gosh, this 10 Pro XL, I used the 9 Pro XL for a long time. I love my porcelain that I bought. And I decided to pick up this MoonStone. I was going to get the porcelain again. I was like, nah, I got to get the MoonStone because I saw it at the store. And then seeing it here in person in my office, this is just so much more beautiful. So yeah, overall, man, I think I'm gonna have a pretty good experience. You know, I'm not a big phone type person all the time, but I'm gonna go ahead and rock out with this one here, full throttle. Not gonna. I doubt this will be a catch and release. Yeah, no, this thing is beautiful, man. I'd keep this just on looks alone. Like if I started to get a little weary about it, as long as it performed, I'd keep this on look. Okay, anyway, let's get into the camera. Because I want to see if the blur, this is the same thing that popped up on the other one. You get that 100 times zoom, folks. I don't think I'll ever use that. But as you can see here, 50 megapixel is set already by default. I didn't do that. And I think since I did a transfer, it brought over my other settings from the other. That's got to be what it is. But you got general here. Right here, you can see. So there you go. You got pro. It's going to stay on 50, man. It's just going to stay on 50. That's just what it is. So let's go to video here. And let's see if we got some 4K blur. Boom. Such a disappointment, Google. Even though the blur is cool, yeah, you're going to have to get some 4K portrait video, Google. It's a must. It's a must. This device is $1,200, and you know it's expensive. It's a must. You have to do it. I told Samsung that on something from theirs, and you're gonna have to step your game up too. Now you have 8K recording. Let's see if you get 8K 30. Then you got 4K 60. Now, ironically enough, HDR10 is available at 4K 60 on these Pro models, but not available on the 10. And it's the same chip. That's lame. It's freaking lame. It's just a way to get someone to spend more money. That's all it is. Video boost. You gotta have that on. Let me check something here. Hold on, Jay, before you start bashing the, oh, I didn't set that finger up yet. Before you start bashing the 10, make sure you check your boxes. Go to video, go to settings. Oh, wait, I'm just wrong every time. Settings. Yeah, that's what I thought. No video boost on here. No video boost on the 10. And again, if you're buying the 10, you're trying to get the most affordable version of the lineup. It just absolutely looks just freaking beautiful. It's right in line with the other phones. The 10 is the one that got the most physical upgrades. But you do, in the settings here, you can see if you're going for the 10, you can see what you're missing out on or just don't have, or it's just not available, which is the video boost. And then with that video boost, you get 4K 60 HDR. So that's a huge, huge plus. And you get your vocals and stuff at all times. You see, you get it here. You get it, period. That's what it is. You just pretty much have more settings on the Pro model because what? It's a Pro. It's a Pro. Yeah. So I am gonna stop here. I've got lots of content I want to do for you guys. This is gonna be obviously a great setup. I mean, it's gonna be what it is. This one was total spur of the moment. I had no intentions on buying this particular phone, but I didn't want to get a Pro model and a 10. I think the 10 is just a better option if you just want the smaller package or whatever. So I got the XL, and I'm rolling with both of these right now, full throttle. And then I will go ahead and pick up. I think this year I might go ahead and get the Fold. It's grip. Yeah, it's grip. But I'm gonna walk into that store and I'm probably gonna buy it just because. It's your man Jay, unboxing first impressions of the Pixel 10 Pro XL MoonStone joint. It's fire in person. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.